now. What if money that time?
So now shoes you up.
Yeah, yeah, this is Ozigidi.
That is Ozigidon for life.
Ozigidon for life.
Yeah,
we are here again to tell you some story that we always bring up.
We did touching.
The story too touching. That's congratulations. They not call your bit of us like that. We still draw.
My brother, if you see the way with something they pay me before, not be you come even they tell me say why I won't carry these people put for head that they receive salary. Me I not go kill myself. From 40 to 44. That's a day painful.
Now what can I tell you?
Now what you tell me that?
Now if you are calling them, you can't be like say I call the jealous of them. I tell them only they not get money, they don't pay me. Only make them score for us. Make we know the go on.
It will pay me. It will pay me.
But now I not be problem. It don't finish. All super ego. Nothing they happen. We wait for super ego.
We not carry last. As if we play draw.
But it do day door when we say at the end of the day, far ahead. You can't just. If now we equalize now, we say no problem. But we do well. But at the end of the day, what we do, we won't kill them our brother. Let's go with them. No problem. Una well done with this still bring some matter out now when we say wetin we see for social media today. When we say we see police, when we say just injure one man, destroy him body, use bottle. And the police people more not remember say that man come up for her leave wife and children. Say he will come meet them. As probably say today now, at least see that guy. May God let us survive because probably will not come up for his body. It's too much.
How you use a maintain a driver for her because of 200 naira? What is Nahama? 200 naira. Okay. It was so sad when I see that something they shock me. Now I say this one are the reason why we do protest. We say end police brutality and end SARS. Okay, now this one not be saying that SARS now. This one are police. Okay, now the same people, the same police who they talk now. Now then we even they fight for. We say make they increase their salary.
Yes.
Not be what we even they fight for. Okay, why be say these people when they fight for now not the one who not the key. Or one they enjoy. And it don't make sense. How people won't come to the happy? How the youth won't come to the happy with you now?
Police will not call you for quarrel, but anyhow, anything will make you do that thing, please stop it, not do it again.
It's wrong.
Because every time, not be only out this world, not be only Nigeria, they the world. You know understand? Every day Nigeria, Make them they talk about us good. I know they are not servicing you guys well. You will not get uniform. I dey see police for duty they wear slippers. I dey see police for duty hold stick for hand. That stick no fit keep you, no fit kill armed robber, no fit kill anything. We know, but as far say we go for this protest when we protest.
Na protest.
When we do last time. At the end of the day, now because of you when police now we still do am. Anywhere the benefit they come from now, if they pay una well, una know they beat any or they fight people for street, they collect money. And I beg, make una not put that people body for we body. Then they beat us for road, they beat driver for road. Everybody, no one, even though mad person get family.
I'm telling
person
you.
when they mad, he get family. At the end of the day, you cannot just beat human being, they humiliate them like that. At the end of the day, you will say you be police. Who give you that uniform? Now me and you give you. That uniform is not for you forever. At the end of the day, if you pull out for your body, no one strike, still respect the citizen. For abroad there, you will see say anywhere black and blue, black and white, they will protect their white before they even protect the black. I beg, make una protect us. We need to know that is the reason you are police. My dear brother, they hear us. Police, we are not quarreling you. We're not the verse with you. We are brothers. Police is your friend.
We don't hear.
You get police for any of your street for area?
No, I don't get police because police. My mama used to tell. Mama even tell us when we were young. He said if we grateful, any of a pikin will be police. He said that day now insist to be a pikin. Say because they know they talk truth, they know they straightforward. So my
your man don't like police.
Mama like police.
Don't let police go meet
Mama don't like police. Why she go like police? So as I was saying, my brother, like a matter where they grant. You remember that brother we can report. Yesterday they see us for program. They our city here. And they see us not be Mr. Julius. We come yesterday. He come tell us say, see a woman now police brutality. Now we talk for Nigeria. What they do protest? Yeah, now women brutality.
Yes, because that guy really they talk. They call me this evening. Self, I never want pick a call. Maybe they now they watch us. But anyhow, what really they cause and when woman or they give their husband respect, I be their boyfriend, girlfriend or they give boyfriend. What did they cause? You get girlfriend?
My brother, I don't get girlfriend. So as I was saying, my brother.
No, as you not get now, how you take all this issue?
I don't know. Sorrow.
Okay, leave the matter for me.
You will get talk.
My brother and sister, I beg, you get what I want to throw into this issue. My name, he don't tell you now before. Now, abeg, may who get not the oppressed who not get. Women as una be like that. Abeg, may na God first create for this world. Before you go meet that your man, one of his ribs, e no dey again. Na dey take create you, locate you. You don't ever see say God give me wife, I dey Italy here or I dey America, I go find her for Australia. No. If you be mortuary attendant, if you see any woman then na there, now see na I don see person when I marry because na intimacy dey cause bring love. You love am na make you marry am, why you dey intimidate the guy? And the man, if na you be the problem when be say dey cause the fighting for house, please comot for the may comot for the may not the fight abi may not dey do the problem with the woman. Talk, I no be busy matter come.
He go correct you, he go correct him mistakes now. If you see wetin dey do, woman dey complain every time say this character wey you get, I no like am. And so men, because of the pride we carry from Africa, say now we did the head, now we be the head of the house, now we be the head of this one. Now so my papa married 10 wives, and now so they control of them. My brother, that time don't pass.
I know say it don't pass, but we no forget
yourself.
We no forget where we come from now.
You know me say more forget where we come from. We know they respect ourselves.
My papa never beat my mama one day.
For where my papa never try.
Then at the end of the day, you know what I say, because my papa dey beat my mama every time, say make me come dey beat my wife every day. You dey hear me so? At the end of the day, make una leave that matter for Matthias. Now, man, correct man when call himself man, he dey always dey respect the wife, no matter how e be. And the wife when call himself wife, he must respect the husband.
Anyone.
The husband,
the fiance, boyfriend, or husband.
And then wetin come worse pass, the girlfriend and then the worst pass nowadays. They no wan marry.
Are you tired?
Pepper body.
Okay, I go interview girls. You say girls, why be say una be like go say no just no go say into the hot say body go just the pepper but no say
if I did the pepper no push your head put for inside come go cool down.
I just tired.
Come out there.
Na pepper una take the bath. Sure, na pepper una take the bath.
Abeg wetin I wan tell una, anybody, any woman, any man wey body dey pepper say because of the relationship. One, you get wetin still dey cause am anyhow, but na woman abeg make una no dey use body dey selfish for man.
Back down.
You say no, I don tire. Wetin make you tire? Give am make he do, he go tire. That time you go come put his baby, baby, baby.
You no pass this one.
He go say,
abeg carry your one and dey go that side.
If you dey do the man like that, the man na go be mumu. Na there our mumu today dey come outside o. If you give am wetin he need, he go say baby. If you dey come for house, you know say na ice cream, he go buy two. I know you dey happy, he go buy two. He go say you wan lick am, he go buy two. He go say why you buy am? Say baby, I wan make you take one, take one. He go leave you one, you go dey met. He go dey follow you dey lick your own.
Who no like better thing? Every man like better thing.
No cool no vex.
Every man like better thing. Every woman like better thing.
Anything one men do una, make una forget. Anything wey women still do, make una forgive them. We be one, we must go back home. We know where we are coming from. We know dey uproot garri for here again now. We know dey fry garri for here. Na there be the suffer head. But as we see there, we need to respect ourselves. I beg. This one na American pidgin language. Now he bring this story out. Say make you tell una, say make una no vex. Every day by day, around 7:30, now we take the enter our station. May you try and log in for the YouTube. What do you mean the YouTube?
American pidgin language.
American pidgin language.
I
mean, you try subscribe for that language so that you will see what we dey see.
Comment,
subscribe.
Share.
What I want to say, Tom.
No, na bear notification.
No, you get me when you say that one they put her up.
Let me like now. Let me like.
This not do this one though.
No, this na like.
The other one, wetin person call me for Benin yesterday for? You know they na there will come from. But they say the way Omila, the Omila don full everywhere now.
My brother think say na only here am. They say now, whoa, people no dey fit go anywhere again from 9 o'clock in the evening. My brother.
Coffee dey.
They say no be coffee. People don coffee themselves. Omila don coffee everywhere.
Those people when they live for prison, they come outside.
I don't know. Now you maybe you talk that one. I'm not even going to just that one. I don't know as that what happen. But what it mean no be say the way they say it too they rampant for Benin now. Say everywhere get as a bin, everywhere they hot. Now say sure.
My dear brother and sister, not be problem.
Sure.
To thief. no be problem. But if they catch you, at that time you will come do. You know they see them for CCID. They will come do like.
How do you feel?
How do you feel now? I feel so bad. I feel so bad.
If you give me
another chance, if they give a chance, we will do another thing. Okay, let us you there among all those people when they come out for prison. Then you must still remain that city, start to terrorize. If they catch you again, complete you. Because for now, as now they recommend they complete to Lego.
I just tired.
Now, thief, no problem. They not say make you not thief. Oh. But if you love your family, you love your brother and sister, your children, stay for house. That thief, person when you go thief, if not see you, you kill her. To remember, say this world is not your own.
It's not your own. God dey heaven now.
We will sing that song. This world is not my own. This world is not my own. Sorrow in this world anymore. My brother, to thief, you know, will give you joy.
I'm telling you.
To do all this thing and let the community.
Wetin no be your own.
Let the community cool down. I beg, we dey beg una.
We all now.
We dey beg una.
I beg.
Na American pidgin language na im dey beg una so.
I beg.
I beg. Make una comot hand. Let the peace reign. I beg. Me dey beg una. This one na new government now wey just.
Na second ten ure na.
Yes,
then they reinstate am na.
I beg. Let everything dey okay. I beg.
Let am take governor for our governor. I beg.
E no fit work for all. How much you want thief? Wetin you want thief? I beg. We dey beg una. I know say the government they not do well, but the thief no will solve am. I beg. We dey beg una. I beg. And for the police, please, police, do your work well. Not be everybody be criminal. Not carry person wey not thief. Abeg, if you carry person reach police station, ask a question, investigate before you put am go prison.
I'm telling you.
Abeg, because innocent people na dem full prison.
I'm telling you.
Abeg, me dey beg una. Innocent people na dem full prison. More na see reason and say your daughter or your son dey inside prison. When we say you no do anything, how you go feel? Abeg, we thank you very much for this program. So far so good. Tomorrow 7:30 we will be here again. At least. This is called American Pidgin English. Why would they wear cap? Because American boys they wear cap.
Yeah,
nigga.
Nigga.
Abimu, nigga. Now at the end of the day, America is a place which maybe when time come, we are not in America now. We wear cool for Europe.
Yeah.
You hear me so?
Yeah, nigga.
By the grace of God, that America will reach there with your power. You know how you will take help us? Anywhere you see our video,
you just
like
this,
share, subscribe.
They comment.
You're my nigga.
Nigga.
Oh.
Now do well. God bless you.
Good night.
God bless you.
God will bless you.
Good night.
We take care now. Bye bye.
Bye bye. We'll see you next time.